Car Adventures, Season 2, Episode 1, Dump Truck Trouble. Okay. Okay, guys, the coast is clear. Mayor McQueen, why can't we just stay in Radiator Springs? Yeah, McQueen, McQueen, it was relaxing. No, guys, you gotta go stretch your wheels. What can we do in this town? We're gonna go tractor tipping. Oh, yeah, said Vinyl Toupee. You teached us this game 1,000 times, but this time it's not a tractor. Then what is it? Said Nigel. It's a dump truck. A dump what? The cars looked at him. Now, said McQueen, all you have to do is... I know, said Raoul. Rev your engine in case you don't have a horn. Yeah, meet me and make the tip this dump truck before. So I have more information. Yeah, that's right, Finn. Now, let's go off. Let me do a demonstration, said McQueen. You have to do it easel and grace. Easel and quietness. Vroom, vroom! But don't wake him up. He might, if you don't rev your engine loud enough, he might wake up but not get tipped. Vroom, vroom. Help me! He's eating me up! Help me! I'm trapped inside it! Help! Said Finn. I got this. Okay, I don't have this handled. Let me try. What? How could that not work? What do I do? Dang it! Let me try this. Okay, Miguel, you rev your engine now, shoot my guns. As loud as we can. I think it worked. Come on! And he fainted. Darn it! We'll never get this tractor tip. Okay, guys, all together, they said. And what McQueen taught us. Hello, I'm in here, said McQueen. We know. All the cars snuck up behind crosses. And, vroom, vroom, vroom. Yeah, press the button. Bam! Oh! Okay, said McQueen, this was a terrible idea. Next time, don't listen to me. You think? Said all the cars, and they all drove off. Oh! The end.